Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, NASDAQ Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload? So guys, I realized that last week we didn't do like a lot of videos. We actually did one video just to give you guys a few updates on the market. And what I like about it is that the market actually respected what we have analyzed. And then there are days whereby I do wait a little bit to find that I'm not actually like trading because you find my setup it's not actually being respected or something, understand? But today I just got in the chance, saw a freaking buy, and I was like, let me quickly get videos and update you guys on what's gonna happen to the market. Understand? Guys, without Nasdaq Ninja, you're nothing, and without you guys, I'm not something. Understand? So at the end of the day, guys, we gotta make money, and remember, guys, making money makes sense. So yeah, today we're going to talk about US30 and Nas100 as always and normal, and check what is the possibilities and what is the setup and what is it that to expect. When I checked gold yesterday, I saw that it was actually retesting on a certain level, but I'm gonna show you guys. I think that's a buying opportunities as well. So without wasting your time, guys, let me jump into the chat and make sure that I upload this video so quick.
So yeah, guys, we currently on US30, so let me actually start with NAS100 because I saw a beautiful setup as well on NAS100, so yeah, I did like actually analyze it and I saw a beautiful one. But if you can check, guys, is this kind of positions here, which I want to educate you guys on. You see here, there's like people being taken out, you understand, in a way that they want to make sure that when they leave without those people, understand? But at the end of the day, if you're trading with us, you know how the best we are. We understand that certain things, movement like this, when they take you out, that's where we actually gonna enter because this is going to be a long-term trade, you understand? So here, let's just create place whereby the market touches, the market reverses, which is we call them zones. Let's just create zones. I see you guys, and I see you guys showing me that you actually understand this thing way better than before. You understand? I see a lot of people showing me every day and daily, and I really appreciate it, guys. And I wish you luck to this game and make sure that you guys are gonna be making money. As always, guys, we gotta remember that making money makes sense. You understand? It's not normal if you're not making money. This is 2020 for we gotta be making money, all of us, make sure everybody eats. So if you can check this, just like a simple setup here, the market once touched and gave us a buy, which is something that it can actually do it again. Touched here, gave us a buy. There's like simplest movements that I ever seen. And what I like about NAS100 is when it comes to zones, it doesn't compromise. It makes sure that it gives you proper direction. So that's something that we gotta like see through it and find out on it. You understand? So I feel like today the good trading market can be at 15:30 because that's when New York session will be open. You understand? That's something that we gotta respect in most cases and most days. One thing about us people, we don't wanna wait for that certain time, the certain moment to just enter the trade. We just wanna analyze now and enter now, and which is something that is gonna kill us in the long run, and we gotta avoid. And it's so much important for us to make sure that wherever we enter or whenever we enter, we going to be looking forward of making money than losing money. I've seen a lot of traders losing money throughout the market because of not being patient. But patient is the only thing that can actually bring you to where you want to be. So that's something that I definitely like realized, and I feel like most of us we should like go upon it. I like the market, so I feel like at this certain point here, if we fail to break here, we're gonna come back here. Definitely we're coming back here if we fail to break here. But if we pass, then we're gonna go to the top side. So I'm just gonna look for selling opportunities at that certain point when it touches, and then we go to the bottom side. But remember, guys, this is the zone that is holding our back. This one, this zone is holding our back because you can see it once created buying opportunities, which is like it's 100% clarity of it creating selling opportunities. So we can't always like expect to just continue with the market while we see these kind of zones. They're gonna play a bigger role here. So we're gonna enter selling opportunities there, and then we go to the bottom. So we're gonna decide on 15:30 what is it that we're gonna enter. You get the point? Because what we analyze now is not what we're gonna analyze later on. So and the other thing, I forgot the structure of the trend line. It's very important for us to not forget it. There was a trend line here. There was a beautiful one. The one that you saw when you entered the market here. I had a trend line. And I saw that the market could be going there, but it will never like go as it's a freeway, it has to be having like goosebumps, bumping around, playing around, making sure that the market is creating the right setup for the right moment. So let's push to the daily time frame and see what is it that we see. I don't think this is beautiful, but the market, it's not all about the beauty, it's all about the movement. You see that buy, we analyzed it, definitely bought. The double top here was so beautiful. I missed it though, but it was beautiful. You wouldn't take a sell. I mean, the sell, you wouldn't take a sell after a long time of the market not selling. It's something that I didn't expect it, but it happened though, and that was so beautiful. That is why we didn't upload the video, guys. The sell was kind of like too tricky. It wasn't tricky. The setup was there, but the problem is we haven't taken sell in a long time. Imagine the sell just come out in, come on. You understand? I don't want to lose cash, but at the end of the day, it's respected, and that's something that we definitely appreciate from the market. There's a zone where the market touches, the market reverses. As always and normal, we gotta be having zones so that we know that here, that's where we're gonna be maintaining most of our trades. So if you can check, the market really broke this point here, really broke this point. And if the market closes outside here, we're going to take buying opportunities for USDT. That's a confirmation. The market can come back, retest, and then push you to the top side. And so let's push to 60 minutes time frame and see. So this is like it's a simple setup for buying, you understand? And I feel like I see more of USDT than Nas100. Then I'll prefer trading USDT, understand? So this is where we actually going, and you can see this is so beautiful. So which actually means that Nas100 has more chances of breaking that zone. And once it breaks that zone, that's when we're gonna get our opportunities of buying. But one thing that I realized is the market could push a little bit here, could push a little bit here, and then come back here, and then we push to the top side. So those are certain things that we gotta expect to the market. So on Nas100, we're not taking buys until it break there. If it doesn't break there, it's selling opportunities, you understand? So this is how it is. So here we can just put a small zone here, understanding this can be a point of reversal for us to come and retest. But here, I'm definitely sure that we're gonna be back. We're gonna be back, So those are the things that I want you guys to actually understand. Here, I feel like it's just a correction and impulse. We break here, we start pushing to the top. Yo, guys, the trading is so beautiful and easy. So here, guys, let's remove everything. Let's remove everything. We are on goal now. We are on goal. Yeah, you see what gold is doing. You see here, that's when we're gonna take buying opportunities. Yeah. And just push to H1. Here we don't need no trial and error or whatever. Here, you see here, that's where you're gonna take out buying opportunities. Let me show you why. I'm just gonna create like few things that are gonna give us more confidence of taking buying opportunities. Understand? And based, guys, it's based on the zone. The market wants are reversed here, so this is just a retest for us to push to the top side, no matter what. So here, guys, it's a good entry for most of you guys to take buying opportunities and invest on it for a little bit, because this is so beautiful. I like it when we get like beautiful trades like this, because it gives us more accurate trades, and you can hold until until guys. So here we understand we're gonna get buying opportunities. We worry less about this. People have been taken out, but that's where as we enter at a certain point, we're gonna put our stop loss below this point here, stop loss here, and then we enter our buying opportunities. Take profit has to be there, the 90% rule. It's easy, right? So it's like this. Let's quickly save this. So yeah, guys, at the end of the day, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Let's meet on another video. Thanks, guys.